Hope it ain't up to. Hey, what's up, YouTube family? What's up, my V Squad? Hey, y'all. How everybody doing? By the title, y'all know what your girl eating on today. But we're going to say our grace, and we're going to get it in. I'm going to let y'all know again what I get. You know what I'm saying? Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Lord, let it be nourished to our bodies. Lord, bless those that prepared it. Lord, bless those that's within the sound of my voice. Lord, thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. What's up, y'all? I don't know why I be saying it, but anyway, today I'm eating African food. I was watching somebody eat it. I got the jollof rice. I got some plantains. Y'all know what I'm saying. I got some okra stew, and I got some spinach saka, and I have some food. And on the side, I have me a little refresher. It is this right here. If y'all have never had it, it's pretty good. Can y'all see that? Wine in a box, y'all. That's what it is. Thumb Neezy. And King EE voice. But yeah, y'all. I almost messed my fufu up. I had warmed it up. Y'all, we're going to eat, honey. I'm hungry. I hope everybody's doing well today. Oh, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, y'all. And hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified. I don't know why I'm talking so fast. I think that coffee I drank earlier kicking in. But anyway, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified when your girl V upload another video. That's it. And y'all, I've never had plantain. How y'all pronounce that? Plantain? And I'm eating it with my fingers this time. I've cleaned my hands. Last time y'all ate it with a fork. And I've been watching free people eat it. And I was watching Carmen eat hers today. And oh my gosh, it looked so good. And she was saying that you're supposed to just eat it with your fingers, and you're not supposed to chew it. So that's what we're doing. Y'all better have some. Last time I had it, I had the seafood stew, which I wasn't fond of. But I had the spinach saka, and I liked it. And I had the jollof rice. Like I said, I've never had these before, but I'm going to try them. I hope y'all doing good. Cheers. Wait a minute now. It tastes like a stem or something. Have y'all had these plantains? I was told that they taste like, I don't know why my stuff getting dark. They taste like bananas or something, but we finna see. They don't taste like a banana to me. It's kind of sweet, but I don't think I'm gonna eat those. I hope y'all can see everything too. Let me know if y'all like African food. Or have y'all tried it? Are you shitting me? Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know what that is, but it's in this okra stew, and I don't like that. It tastes almost like stems or something. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all, they're my neighbors. Do y'all hear that noise? I'm in the kitchen. Baby. I think they dog right in my back door. Or in their kitchen one. Mm. Y'all, this is the second video I've done today, so y'all might see this shirt in another video whenever it finishes uploading. I like spinach, so I think that's why I'm fond of this. But this okra stew, I don't like that. I mean, it got a good taste, but like it got little stems or something in it. I don't know. Don't have me lying. I hope y'all can see it, because baby, it look weird on my end. I won't be before you guys long. Because I already ate today. Like I said, I did another video earlier. She did tell me to put this in my stew. But, I mean, it's good. It's some kind of little sauce. It's spicy. I just put it on this part because I'm not eating that okra stew. Y'all, my stuff looks so dark over here. Oh, my God. Big Bob Belly playing in the background, y'all. He eating some ribs. She hasn't did I want 2 scoops of this saka. I told her just 1. But it's really good, y'all. Well, I know everybody's taste buds aren't the same, so I like it. Ooh, that sauce got a kick. I'm trying to get used to just swallowing it. Y'all, excuse me, I got a dirty mind. But yeah. I'm so used to chewing my food. Well, sometimes, if I'm real home, baby, I chew it 3 times and swallow. Oh, and I got my water. This has the apple cider vinegar that I got off Amazon. It already has honey and cayenne pepper in it, so that's why I look a little tinted. And you can see the cayenne stuff floating around in there. But yeah, I drink on these. I try to finish 1.5 of these a day, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. You get food. Well, like I said, I already ate one time today. I don't know how people be doing 2 and 3 mukbangs a day, y'all. I don't see it. I don't know how they do it. So this will be a short video. Because your girl is finna relax, you hear me? I'm gonna finish my wine. That's basically wine, y'all. I'm gonna finish that up. And I done already straightened up for today. And I'm gonna relax because I got to hit it in the morning. Ooh. He's showing parts of the meet and greet that they had in Atlanta. The Tranini meet and greet. Y'all, I'm full. And I hope this light show good on, I don't know. It's doing what it want to do. Y'all, I'm done. I'm a bust if I eat anything else. I'm gonna finish this though. That's liquid. It's gonna come out. But yeah, I'm full. That was good. The okra stew, I can't do it. I don't know if that's the texture it's supposed to have, but I can't. Now that spinach saka and the jollof rice, I can do that. But why I kept on saying I had egusi? Is it egusi? Egusa? Y'all pronounce it for me. Y'all help me. Oh, excuse me. But anyway. Ooh, your girl is done. Done. Lord, I hope this show right. Because it keep on getting dark on my end, y'all. Thank you, Carmen Eats. I'm telling y'all, watching her video, man. She was tearing this stuff up. It looked so good. I said, I'm finna go get me some African food, baby. And then the guy that was in there, he was telling me about another place that's right up the street from me. I know exactly where it's at, but I didn't know that they sold African food. So I'm gonna have to try them out pretty soon. Y'all, I'm having a hard time with this. Don't cuss me out, y'all, making all this damn noise. Ooh. I done worked today, baby. I done clean up. I done did this is my second video today, y'all. Think I ain't finna rest. I'm gonna sleep like a newborn baby. Yes, I am. Girl, look at Trey rapping. Him and Nene be having me tripping, y'all. When they be freestyling. Oh, snap. It's a cash app. Okay, y'all, I'm done. I love you guys. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. I will see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so y'all be notified. I don't know why I put emphasis on that, but yeah. Y'all got to be tired because I get real goofy and laugh when I get tired. But I'll see y'all on this video. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all beautiful day. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. Bye-bye.